Alright, what's up everyone? So I'm back on YouTube now. Took some time off, like I said in the previous video. Before I start, if you hear wind, it's because I'm outside. So yeah. So like I said, I took some time off, right? Went back to my journal of 1 year, seeing what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. And yeah, overall, it was my discipline, right? So being patient, not rushing the process, and all that. Because honestly, every strategy works. People using ICT, or whatever, And even me myself, from seeing backtesting and everything, I changed my strategy, and I'm gonna stick with it. So if you guys know like TJR, it's like basically the same thing, the same strat. So I'm trading macros, 950 to 1010. If I don't set up, I'm out. And when market open, if there's any fair value gaps, and then scale down to the 1 minute time frame, I'll take those two, right? So I made a brand new list of everything from the strategy, and I'm still using. So like always, we mark session highs and low, then we see if there's any fair value gaps, then we scale down until the 1 minute, and from there there's some specific requirement to take an entry, right? Which you guys will see in the futures video. So yeah, like I said, I took some time off, figured it out. Now, no more excuses, no more nothing. So today let me reset, let me log out, log back in. So we have 5 accounts, 50Ks. They're still combined. I started them today, so right there. Right there, one trade, 746, multiplied by 5 accounts, so 3.7k. Wow, it's so windy. So that's that. That's it, I told myself I'm done messing around, I'm done doing dumb shit, right? So from there, 50k account, slowly we'll make them grow, and just be patient and take payouts, right? So yeah, I'll do a little recap. I'll do it on TradingView because it's better, and from there we can start. I was risking, so here, let me log out. So I was risking 5 mini NQ, so the E-mini, which is 250 for a 123 750. So from there, 750, 5 accounts. That's about right. So yeah, and with the 250, I have so much. I can lose up to like 10 trades before I even blow the account. So it's gonna work out. Like I said, I'll be patient. Everything's gonna work out, and I'll document everything on YouTube because I like making videos, to be honest. But I had to take some time off to just figure it out, right? So yeah, now we should be back every day at 5 p.m. and you guys will see everything, full transparency, right? Like I said, no more silly mistakes or whatever. Slowly, and that's it. So today we were Tuesday. Let's start. Like always, high, Asia high and low, London high and low. And do we see any previous day highs and low? No, I seen this right there though. I just marked it, but this is not needed right there. From there, do I see fair value gaps? Yes, I seen this one right there. Mark it up, like you guys seen in the clip. I don't think I showed the clip here. I'll show it now. 750. Let's go. Nice. So we entered, let's see, right there, 945, 46, 47, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes later. So yeah, as you guys seen, very easy, 5 minutes. Even before 9:50 I was done. So yeah. So everything is set up there. We have a 1 hour gap right there. Mark it up. Go on the 30-minute, adjust it. Perfect. 5 minutes. Now on the 5 minute, what we do, we leave this there. I'll take my 5 minute box and see where I can place it. I need it to be near the line so it coordinate with it, right? So like that. Then go on the 1 minute. Zoom in. From there we adjust the gap even better. So like that. Like that. Done. Those lines make sense. Yes, okay. So from there what I do, now this is not in details, right? But this is basically what I'm doing. Market open, perfect. Now I'm looking for trades, sessions, or fair value gaps. Now there's some specific details so I can get confirmation, but yeah. 939, 941, all rejection. 944 I was in. 944 or 945 I was in. I don't remember. I was in regardless. For a 1 to 3. Let's zoom out a little. Let's zoom out a little bit like that. So as we've seen, like I showed you guys in the video, I took this trade and 5 minutes later 1 to 3, right? Easily. Now, if I didn't get this trade, we had another trade, which is macros. Macros, what I do is I find new 1 minute fair value gaps and trade off of that. And if there's any session or stuff, we take that in consideration too. So macros 950. So right there, I didn't take it. I already got my trade done. I was done. 954, 955. We got rejection. From there, we could have been in. Like I showed you guys, this was the previous day's low. Well, let's say we didn't even take that because we only take previous days, right? No problem. We wait for a 1 minute fair value gap to form. Right here we had this one right there to the upside. From there, 1003 rejected the fair value gap. Yes, we can go in deeper, but doesn't matter. From there I could have been in. Stop loss is even wide enough, doesn't matter. 10-4 I'm in, and from there 1 2 3 like always. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 minutes later 1 2 3 easily. 1 2 2 even faster, right? So yeah, that's basically it. Very easy. So yeah, like I said, no more mistakes. Now it's gonna be serious. I'm not losing those 5 accounts. I'm not doing any mistakes. I'll take them slow and just grow them. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's remove this. So yeah, mark my words, guys. Today we're Tuesday 6. You guys will see consistency, discipline, everything. I'm just gonna start growing. That's gonna be trading wise, YouTube wise, everything. Mark my word, just a matter of time now. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys every single other day now. And yeah, we're back at it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys tomorrow.